Follow-up question lang kay Derek regarding dun sa action types natin na binabalik natin ngayon same time. Kasi every action movie meron tayong parang merong sequence or scene na nag-iiwan ng marka sa bawat action movie. Meron din tayo dito para sa The Janitor na yung iba pag pinag-usapan magiging topic ng bawat isa na itong scene na ito yung gusto ko for an action ano.
Are you asking that because napanood mo na?
No. Anything,
you're asking kung meron?
Marami. Yun ang sa akin kasi tinatanong ko, I made it a habit pagkatapos ng screenings na tanungin yung mga audience, lalo na yung mga bata kasi yung mga college students, gano'n. Lagi kasi talagang tinatanong. Kasi nung una na-shock talaga ako. Sabi ko nagustuhan niyo talaga. Hindi po masyadong violente para sa inyo. Hindi po gumagano'n sila. Then I always ask them, what is your favorite scene? Ano yung nagmarka talaga sa inyo? And it changes. So it's a compliment I think to the whole film kasi iba-iba eh. A lot of them mention the cornfield scene to those who've seen the movie. Makita niyo. The cornfield scene is really good. If you guys knew, I think some of you were able to interview me a couple of days ago. Kinuwento ko kasi what happened in that cornfield scene. And naging very very effective siya. A lot of people love it. Yung fight scene ni Raymond Bagatsing at ni Dennis sa loob ng elevator, which took 3 weeks of training and rehearsals. And we had live guns when they were really fighting. We'll never forget that also. That's very unforgettable also. So pero parang ang dami. And I think for me in terms of acting naman, yung acting showdown talaga ni Dennis tsaka ni Nico Manalo towards the end, I will never forget that. Because that was the moment that Dennis showed me what an incredible actor he is. Kasi si Dennis kasi, he was my first ever leading man sa pelikula. How many years ago? Which was Text with Angel Locsin. So Dennis was my first leading man ever. So I'm very, very comfortable with him. So what I do with Dennis now, we're so comfortable with each other, minsan binabatohan ko na siya ng mga feeling ko imposible. Parang habang sinasabi mo to Dennis, gusto ko biglang may gawin kong ganito, tapos biglang may luluha dito na may babagsak na luha. Yung parang imposibleng set of circumstances na. Tapos ang ginawa niya dun sa scene na yun, which is the climax of the movie, may dinagdag pa siya. Sabi ka, taas na kamay ko sa'yo, Trillo, taas na kamay ko sa'yo. Yung, parang, it's very rare when an actor exceeds yung image na nasa utak mo for a scene, ibang level na artista na yun.
Okay na? Ayan, alam mo sa loob nito, aside from the 3 actors and the 2 actors and the our director, isa lang yata nakapanood. Ito, kasi araw-araw to. Anong iniwan sa yung impact ng pelikula after watching it? So, magkwentuhan mo kami and then, no spoiler lang, ano ang naging impact sa'yo? Bakit siya naging the most awarded in the season ng Cinemalaya?